Hey you guys, and welcome in. Today I'm going to show you how I do my 1 hour baked potato. Let's do this. Alright, let's wash up some potatoes. Get ready to make my famous baked potato on the barbecue. Wash these things good because you're going to be eating the skin. We're going to oil the skin. We're going to put a little garlic, onion, pepper, Himalayan salt, and make the skin nice and soft so that it's really good tasting. Oh yeah. Love doing these big baked potatoes like this too. And the ones in the Idaho potato bag are always tiny. I love these big baking potatoes. I put them on the grill. When I first start heating my grill up, heat the grill up to 500 to 700 degrees so that I can clean my grill surface. And these go on right at that moment because I want to heat them up real hot and then just let them cook slow and steady as she goes over the next hour. 1 hour baked potato. Okay, let's get these baked potatoes done up. So we're going to start with a little olive oil. Coat the potato nice and all the way around. A pretty good amount of olive oil on it. You don't want them to get dry. Oh, almost lost it. You want to get it nice and moist. There you go. Now let's start with salt. A little Himalayan pink salt. Beautiful stuff. And then we're going to go garlic. Onion. And then pepper. Then angle it and give it a wrap. Tuck that in, fold and fold, and roll it up. Baked potato, beautiful thing. All right, let's do two. And number three, this is a big boy right here. Make sure and get quite a bit of oil on this thing. Ready to go. All right, so we're going to heat up the grill. I'm going to put it on full blast, and then we're going to stick these potatoes on this top rack right here. If you have one, hopefully you do, use it, or maybe even turn off one of your burners if you just have a single rack. Those baked potatoes are going to get turned every 10 minutes, a quarter turn, and voila, barbecued baked potatoes. I wished I would have gotten a better picture of this, you know, like showing the steam coming off of it and all that stuff, but I don't think this picture does it justice. But there she is, the barbecued baked potato, a 1 hour baked potato. Love these baked potatoes. You can eat the skin, eat the whole thing. We're going to butter it, salt, pepper, chive, and then I know my wife uses sour cream, so that'll be what we garnish this thing with. I hope you enjoyed this 1 hour baked potato.
from your neighborhood butcher Tom, my famous 1-hour baked potato. Hey, thank you for spending some time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, and subscribe. You know that's what makes it all go around. Keep me in the algorithm. Let me know by your likes that I'm doing a good job. Thank you very much. I can't wait till the next video. For now, bye.